TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. Well, partly sunny out there. But this is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices trading to the upside. You've got the Dow up 510 points, the S&P up 68, NASDAQ 100 up 262, the Russell 2000 big move today up 42 points, 2 6/10%. You've got the semiconductor up nearly 4% out here, and my screen just froze. That's not a good thing. That's not a good sign out here. And no idea why it is freezing like this. There's a lot of activity going through the pipe is all I can guess. But so we've got these markets that are moving topside like this. And the question is this a breakout or not? And let's take a look at this chart here. Really, in my opinion, this is the most important chart for us to be paying attention to today. So let's pay attention to it right now. And here what we're looking at, folks, we're looking at the 4 equity future contracts. You've got the ES Mini on the left-hand side. Next to that, the NQ for the NASDAQ 100. Next to that, the Dow. And then the very right side is the Russell 2000. Now, I want you to take a look at the ES Mini. We'll just start from the left. Here we've got the highs from back in September 2nd, September 3rd. And all I've done is just drawn a simple trend line. Notice how today's move in the ES Mini has rushed right up into that trend line. Look, if this is a breakout, we're going to see a close above that trend line area. If we take a look at the NQ has stopped right at that trend line. It did it about 5:30, 5 o'clock in the morning out here. That high has not been taken out. So now you've got your third lower high. So at least at this stage, inside the NQ. In the Dow, well, it hasn't even made its way up to its trend line. Instead, it's at resistance, which is 28,401. That's the top of the weekly profile. So you've got resistance on the ES, resistance on the NQ, resistance on the Dow. Now, the Russell 2000, just in the last 15 minutes or so, has been able to get up above the top of that weekly profile at 1651. So it's the only one that is not inside that zone. But folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. When you see things that are up at resistance, what you then like to do is go to your short-term time frame charts out here. I've got a little market analyzer, makes it real easy. You know, there's basically a few topping patterns we look for. The Rhodes Momentum Indicator, it's got top confirmed. It says 30 RMI. We look at those TD9 counts, and we look at the Chapman Wave. See all those G's and 8s with stars, then tops confirmed. Short-term time frame signals say we need to go investigate that. There could be a top. Folks, if you're off to start your Thursday, well, you're not going to be off to start your Thursday. Just have a terrific one. But stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show.